In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CM Ultimate MAMTF V4 quick and easy guide. We're going to keep this really straightforward. So by the end of this video, you'll have the CM Ultimate MAMTF V4 indicator added to your Tradingview chart and ready to use. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. It doesn't matter for the setup process. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the center top of the chart toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can search through all the built-in indicators, community scripts, and your own favorites. In that search bar, type CM exactly like that, with the underscore at the beginning. Typing this narrows the results down to scripts created under that tag, so you don't have to scroll through a huge list. As you start typing, Tradingview will automatically show matching indicators below. Among the results, look for the one called CM Ultimate AMA MTF V4. Double check the spelling so you're choosing the correct indicator, since some names can look pretty similar. Once you see CM Ultimate MAMTF and V4 in the list, simply click on it one time. As soon as you click, Tradingview will automatically add the indicator to your current chart. You'll notice new lines and visuals appear, usually representing multiple moving averages across different time frames. If you want to adjust how it looks or how it behaves, you can hover over the indicator name at the top left of your chart and click on the settings icon. From there, you can tweak colors, lengths, and time frames to better match your trading style. If your chart feels cluttered, you can also hide or remove the indicator from that same menu. Finally, if you're planning to use Tradingview more seriously, I recommend checking out the Tradingview Pro link in the description. Using that affiliate link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks more features like additional indicators per chart, more alerts, and better overall performance, which can be really helpful when you're running tools like CM Ultimate MAMTF V4. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps once, and you'll be able to add this indicator to any chart in just a few seconds.